Hello, and welcome to the channel. I'm the Coins Monster. What's up, guys? Thank you for tuning in. Today, I'm going to talk to you about a project that I've picked out as a personal favorite trade by looking at the project and especially the technical analysis. Okay, the chart. I love how it looks in the chart, which I will get to as soon as I speak to you about this project just briefly. Okay, so let's get into it. Now the project is called Coin98. Okay, the ticker is C98. Now it's available on Binance, KuCoin, and a bunch of other exchanges. Okay, you can check it out. Aside from Binance and KuCoin, is available on Bybit, the CoinX, Poloniex. Okay, you can get it very easily. Now, why do I like this project? Well, it's a DeFi platform. It's a finance project, a DeFi platform where you can swap, stake, borrow, lend, invest, and earn crypto with ease. Okay. Yes, many other projects do the same thing or very similar things, like auto finance, beefy finance, but they lack in certain features. All right, which I will get to in a minute. Now, Coin98 has actually its own exchange. Okay. And on this exchange, you can trade on SushiSwap, PancakeSwap, MDX, Pangolin, QuickSwap, Ethereum, Binance Chain, and recently added Trader Joe, which is on Avalanche. Okay, the AVAX ecosystem. Now, that is what I don't see on other projects. That's for one. Two, this is a project which has its own hub and wallet where you can store your multi-chain crypto assets. Okay, because let's face it, if you're trading on multiple exchanges just off of this platform, you can store it in the same place, which means you don't need another tool to track all your assets. Okay, because you can use this C98 to track your own chain performance, right? Now you can also send tokens to multiple addresses. This is a feature that is lacking on many projects. Now, as for trading, if you take a look at this layout right here, you have a feature that's called login and connect your wallet. Now, when I looked at this, it caught my attention right away. Why? Because I don't have to register and do KYC and trade on the exchange. I can simply just connect the wallet and go back and trade on any of these I want. It's Uniswap, it's SushiSwap, PancakeSwap. I don't need to go connect two wallets, one wallet just for Uniswap, one wallet just for PancakeSwap, one wallet just for SushiSwap. I don't need that. I can do that simply everything right here in just the one place without having to register. Okay, that is why I wanted to talk to you about this project, because I do know that wherever you are in the world, you will have some lack in exchanges. Okay, like US, for example, does not have Binance or does not have easy access to Binance, so you do have Coin98 to help you out. Okay, so do keep this in mind, do some research, and maybe try it out, see if it's useful to you. Maybe even if you don't trade, just take a look how it is to maybe store some of your assets or long term that you're not going to sell or you're not going to stake. See how it works. Okay, and see particularly if you can connect your C98 wallet onto something else. Okay, where you can stake, like Uniswap, for example, you have to stake your LP tokens. Then see if you can connect the C98 wallet. It will be very helpful. All right, now on to technical analysis. Now, when I look at the chart, it's absolutely beautiful. Okay, it's beautiful. Reason number one, it has not yet done its 100x move, just like many other coins. Okay, now first what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain this fractal. Okay, now when I look at this fractal right here, this fractal is actually from a coin that has played out a similar structure. Actually, two of them. One of them is KDA and the other one is Trias. Okay, they did the same thing. Now, given the current place of the fractal, in my opinion, we should be roundabout in this range. Okay, in this range right here. And we will expect just a little bit more range before it starts to change trend and go to the upside. Okay. Now, very likely this happens. Well, I will explain quickly. Why do I expect this to happen? Well, first, when I look at the stochastics and the RSI, stochastics is still pointing down, so I do not expect it to break out just immediately. Okay, I don't expect it to make its big move. The move I'm expecting. Now, this is more likely to happen. The blue coming to the downside and curving back to the upside. Okay, and the red, which is a signal line, will have to eventually curve, which means they will intersect. And this cross right here is going to be the blue crossing the red, the signal, which is bullish. Okay, that means it's ready to go to the upside. Also notice the RSI, which is the white line right here. What I see right off the bat here is a bottom, and the third bottom currently in formation. Now this is something to be pointed out. This is an inverse head and shoulders currently in progress, which will be complete when the RSI comes down a little bit more. And this pattern is bullish as well. Okay, so we have confluence number 2. Now, on a bigger scale, why I like this coin is this. Okay, the RSI has made a falling wedge, and now it has broken out of this range. Okay, so if we take a look at this analysis, it's actually just making a bull pennant. That is bullish. Now, I still don't expect it to make its big move just yet, because the stochastics are still coming down, and it needs a little bit of bullish momentum, which is currently lacks. And how I know this is when I have to turn to the histogram and the ADX. Now the ADX is the white line that I have right here. It's currently pointing to the downside, and the red histogram has started. Okay, so this will have to go sideways, maybe come back down one more, just a little more time before it goes to the upside, and that's when the big move will come. And when that happens, we will also see another red hill come up here, and this is going to mark for us a bullish divergence. Okay, because this red hill is going to be smaller than the previous one. Now when we look at the price, if we are in this current fractal position right here, the price should range, using and reading the indicators, the price should range just a little bit, come back down, give us a double bottom, and head on up to change the trend. Okay, this coin is actually very, very bullish in terms of technical analysis. Now, I cannot predict when it can break out, because no one can predict the time in crypto, but I do like what I see on the charts, and I do like the utility of the project, which is why I'm bringing it to your attention. Okay, so on to the basic technical analysis. Now, this is another reason why I picked this coin, because if you are a beginner and you want to learn how to trade, how to understand the price action, and how to understand to make the patterns on the chart, this is the video for you. Okay, so what we see on the chart is what we saw on the RSI. Okay, a nice big falling wedge. Okay, but this is currently in a downtrend, so this is what leads me to believe this fractal is going to play out just a little bit more and give us another little bottom right here. Okay, so I would project the possible entry to be anything between $1.68 to $2.13. Okay, now it's tricky position right here, because this, as you can see, it's sitting right in the middle, so taking a trade on this is a bit risky. Okay, because it can go up, yes, but it can come down as well. So either way, I will watch it, and I would make a trade when it starts to go sideways. Alright, now this falling wedge can also be taken a look at as a bull flag, where we take the measured move from the top of this flag to the bottom where the coin was launched, and we drag it to the bottom of the pole. Okay, the first target will be 6.82 and $8. That's the second target. Okay, now that's what I'm projecting for this coin. But when I use the Fibonacci's, my target comes out to be $9.80 right up in here. Okay, and that's actually quite funny because coin is C98, which means 98, so 9.80 could be the potential target. Okay, but what we do see is very bullish trend that is going to be formed. It is not yet formed, it is going to be formed very soon. Okay, so stay tuned for this coin, just watch it and you may make some potential gains. Okay, so from this price, let's just say $2, that will be your entry. It can give you up to 200%, 290%. If it gets to my big target of 9.8, it can give you 376%. Okay, which is not a bad game at all on a decent DeFi project. So watch this coin and try it out as in terms of utility. See if it helps just a little bit. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Please do like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can stay tuned for more videos coming out with potential gains on projects that are decent for the remainder of the bull cycle. All right, thank you for watching. Stay tuned, stay safe, stay blessed.